Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'd like to talk about successfully transferring your work permit and changing jobs here in Shanghai. I currently work for a bilingual kindergarten here in Shanghai, and it's a very nice one. However, I decided a few months ago I'd like to try out teaching primary school students. It's kind of a new area for me. I've been teaching here in China for quite a while. Adults, high school students, but I've never actually taught primary students. So I'd like to try something different. I've been doing homeroom teaching here in Shanghai for about 9 years and need a change. So anyways, the first step of changing your job is to actually have another job lined up for you. And preferably you got to get a contract signed with them before you even decide to quit your current job. And once you come to an agreement with your current job, you need to make sure they provide you a release letter. And that release letter is necessary in order to cancel your work permit. So that's the second step, is getting your work permit canceled. So you're going to want to sign the release letter. You're going to want to sign the work permit cancellation form that your employer should provide you. And so last week, I got my release letter approved from the company, like from HR. They sent it over and I signed it yesterday. And yesterday it was uploaded into the work permit cancellation system along with my signatures. So yesterday I started the process to cancel my work permit, and the release letter, like I said, is necessary for canceling that work permit. Once your work permit is canceled, you don't really need the release letter anymore. And today I actually went into the visa office in Pudong with my employer, the guy who does all our visas, a very helpful guy. He took me in, and we decided to cancel my residence permit and transfer it over to a stay visa. And the reason for that is Shanghai's policy is anybody who cancels their work permit should cancel their residence permit within 10 days. It's not necessary you transfer it, but you could get in some trouble or have some negative marks on your system if you do not transfer in time. So that's why I'm doing that. So I'm kind of canceling the residence permit into a stay visa. Then I need to apply for a new work permit once I get the work permit cancellation letter and the new stay visa. So once I receive both, I'm going to send it to my new employer. They need to start applying right away for a new work permit. And once that is approved, then I can go get my new residence permit again. It's pretty easy right now. It's a lot easier than last year. Last year it was a lot harder because I left Shanghai after the lockdown. I came back, and it was so many people who overstayed, visas that expire, so they were really busy last year and after the summer. But right now, things are a lot smoother, a lot better. So I'll keep you guys updated on the process. But anyways, in short, you need to get a release letter from your employer. You need to have your work permit canceled, and you should cancel your residence permit and transfer it over to a stay visa. In my case, whether it's a stay visa or a residence permit, both would expire in a month. My residence permit expires at the end of August, and it's already the end of July, or the middle of July. So I'm not really losing anything by canceling it. I'd lose a passport page. But guys, please hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and leave a comment below. What is your experience on transferring your visa over to another company or school? Every city is different, so you might want to check in with the requirements in different cities. Again, I'm in Shanghai, so that's the policy here. So take care, and see you guys in the next video.